Yo, what's up guys? Gonna go ahead and go do some quick mods, nothing too fucking crazy. For anybody that has watched the videos that I made in the past that were honestly not that good, but they were fucking hilarious. Me and a old friend went to this parking garage and we did a bunch of shit there. That's where I'm heading to right now. There's not going to be any kind of paint cans or anything. It's all electronic stuff. It's a really easy modification that most people do when they first get their car. So let's go ahead and check it out right now. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, sorry, my phone's being weird. Just pulled up to the area that I always used to go to. It's like an underground parking garage. It's really well lit, and obviously it's dark as shit. My shop has my 1973 Mustang still parked in it. So I normally I would just, probably want to drive my other cars into that and do my shit at home, but because that's there, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the getaway and go somewhere and just do this modification. It's gonna be really simple, really quick. And when I do stuff like this, I try not to be too loud with the cars. I try to park in a corner where there's already a bunch of cars. And that way, you just, you're more likely to not get caught. So here we are, basically just gonna do some quick electrical shit. It's gonna be dope. Just gonna add these little lights and stuff. It's not gonna really take too long, but I'm gonna show you. It's just a cool little mod that you can do to make your car just have a little bit more pizzazz. So right here, we just have the basic essentials. You'll need these little Scotch indoor interior little Velcro straps. There's a female and male connector, and of course your light set. You already know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna plug in some lights just for the fuck of it. Get this little controller and shit, We'll show you when it's all done. What I want to show you is don't undo the 3M tape. Actually attach them to the 3M tape. And that's just going to be easier because this 3M shit, I did it once and it just sucked ass. It's terrible. These are way better than the stock 3M tape. Fucking annoying. Okay guys, so the lights are installed. You can adjust the brightness, colors, red, green, blue, white, as well as orange, yellow, teal, and purple. You can't really tell too well on camera. There's jump modes, stuff like that. Pretty much just basic Ricer shit. I mean, not saying I am one, I'm saying like, you can connect it to your music, stuff like that. Like I said, nothing too crazy. Yeah, I just like it either in purple or red. I think purple is just a certain mood. So it definitely looks a lot better in darker light. Right now it's actually really well lit up, so you're not really gonna be able to tell. But yeah, quick, easy mod. Took like 30 minutes, and it was like $30 for everything. To the best of my ability, show you. Right now it's on purple. There's all kinds of different colors. I'll show you that shortly. So for the colors, we have just a multitude of colors. Teals, purples, oranges, blues, all that. And you can switch to jump modes, cool stuff like that. A little bit too much for me personally. I would just keep it in one color the whole time. But yeah, really easy mod to do. Very Ricer mod, but it's fun when you leave it in just one color. And I usually just leave it in purple because that's just my favorite one to ride in.